Hi, in this video, we will be explaining how to use the latest version of the Eperver WIFI 2.4G RJ45 adapter. As you can see, it is small, roughly the same size as a USB flash drive. Applicable to Eperver controllers, inverters, or inverter/charger with RJ45 port. Additionally, the communication port provides power directly, eliminating the need for an external power supply. Moreover, it is powered directly through the communication port. It supports two working modes, local monitoring and Eperver Cloud working mode. In this video, we will explain how to monitor using Eperver Cloud working mode. Please note that it needs to operate in a 2.4G network environment, and the maximum communication distance should not exceed 20 meters. Alright, now we need to download the Cloud Platforms app first, Solar Guardian. Then, open the app and register or log in. Now we are on the app's homepage. I need to delete the gateway settings left from my previous use to avoid any interference with the following steps. Okay, now that we're on the homepage, click the plus icon to add a new gateway. Here, we choose to directly scan the QR code on the device. Select the gateway model. Input the gateway data. Gateway SN is the 22-digit number of the gateway Wi-Fi name. Click Next Step to enter the device adding page. Then, return to our original screen, and here, please be sure not to leave this interface. Click the Type in module, enter, and select your controller. Next, we need to enter the 22-digit product serial number here. For demonstration purposes, I'll just input a random one. After adding the device, click Next Step to enter the above page. Input the local Wi-Fi password and click Next Step. Click Go to set up Wi-Fi to connect phone to the gateway Wi-Fi. Usually, a Wi-Fi starting with the uppercase HN is the gateway Wi-Fi on our device, and its initial password is 123456778. Return to the app after connection, and click Next Step. Now let's go back to the home page and refresh after waiting for the connection to be established. As you can see, our device has successfully connected to the cloud, and now we can set up monitoring here. The above is all the content for this video. If you need to download the related app, you can go to the link below the video for download. If you have any other questions, you can contact our customer service email. Thank you for watching.